Hey everybody, welcome back to Live to Fish, and if you're anything like I am, you're getting all your gear prepared for that spring bite to turn on. Now I picked up some really great combos over the off season, and I had a little bit of issue on where to store the stuff. I pretty much just had just enough room for my bait casters and my spinning gear, and the new bait caster combos I got kind of pushed that spinning gear out of those storage areas. So the first person I went to for advice was my wife, and I said, honey, I think I need a professional rod holder. Well, since she declined to be of any assistance, I can tell you right now, Plusinno didn't. They turned around and sent me out this nice little fishing rod rack to take a look at and review. Today is going to be all about storing your rods in a safe environment and also at an affordable price. Let's crack this open and take a look and see what's inside. All right, so inside they give you a nice little hardware kit, complete with mounting screws and the anchors that you need for drywall, and of course an instruction booklet. And here's the rod holder. Let's get this thing mounted. Now you want to make sure when you're mounting this that you mount with these little bracket holders pushing upwards in the upward direction. If you have it this way and you're pushing down on them, that's the wrong way. Make sure you have them pointed up. All right, we're breaking out the level. We want to make sure it's level here when we do the installation. So let's go ahead and get that level, and we'll go ahead and mark it in the holes. And we're all set. Now, if you're looking to land this into the studs, I would highly recommend that you take a drill and drill pilot holes for these anchors before screwing in. And for me, it's just going to be a case of punching through the drywall, not going into any studs. So I'm using a Phillips head screwdriver, which is pretty much the same diameter as the anchors. And I'm just going to go ahead and punch some holes, drop the anchors in, and bolt it down. Now for mounting this, there's a total of 3 screw eyelets on the top and 2 on the bottom to make sure that you have it anchored properly for the amount of weight that's going to be distributed here. Now that the mounting's taken care of, we're going to go ahead and start putting our rods on the holder. We're going to flip this up, pop the rod in there, and let the tension on this, along with gravity on the rod, bring it back down and hold it in place. Rubber on both sides to protect the rod. Looks good. All right, let's get a couple more on there. Excellent. Now I got a place for all my spinning gear. Again, thank you Plusinno for sending out this fishing rod holder. It's just what I needed for my spinning gear. And if you're interested in this product, like I said, I'm going to leave a link in the video description below. So there you have it, a very inexpensive way to secure your rods and mount them on the wall instead of just throwing them in the corner if you have some spares or if you don't have rod holders yet. Very good product. Again, Plusinno, thank you very much.